For those that are you looking for unique balloons that want to decor some of the actual parties, or maybe use it for a surprise party, or pretty much any occasion, these balloons include the actual ribbon and they have filling. So we're gonna put them together and see how they look. See how beautiful they come in. This is pretty much how they come in wrap. So let's go ahead and take a look. We're also gonna put the count number of how many balloons you get. So here's the balloons, guys. If you guys can see, getting ready for a party. It's perfect. So when you're gonna do a surprise party or anything, you can set up the balloons. I like the confetti that they have inside here. All right. Now don't pop them. It's very messy, but look how beautiful they come in different varieties and colors. You guys can see. So this is a nice, beautiful neon sign that's gonna go with the actual background. We're gonna add more balloons, but these are the actual colors that they have included. You could add more. I like the confetti in, like I said, gold confetti in the actual balloons itself. Makes it nice. It stands out. Very beautiful. Hope you guys enjoy the video.